Today I will introduce a very expensive biodegradable bag for you. As you can see, maybe you can't afford it, but because of our technical advance, now you can buy it at a much cheaper price. You can see this bag is very beautiful. The material is PLA plus PBAT plus craft paper, and this green and logo red are printed. The loading of this bag is 3 kilometers. It's for seed, but it's also food grade. As you can see the inside of it. You can use it to pack any food you need. While you can see the zipper. Zipper is very neat, advanced. You can reuse this bag, and after you use it, you can throw it to the trash, but it will eventually turn into water carbon dioxide, entirely environment friendly, totally suit you if you are an environmental protector. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.